Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. As you already know from a thumbnail for this video, it's going to be a new LOEWE bag unboxing today. And it's going to be a proper unboxing because I haven't seen the bag myself yet. Which quite unusual. I usually not the patient person when it comes to unboxing new deliveries, especially when it's bags. But today I surprised myself and I kept this reveal to myself and to you until the filming. But before we go ahead and I'm going to reveal the bag, I just want to share with you guys how much I love this new shirt that I purchased from the Uniqlo. Uniqlo is a Japanese brand with amazing quality. This video is not sponsored in any way. I purchased that with my own money, and it's actually, this particular shirt comes from the men's department and my husband is stealing it from me too, and he's wearing that. It's probably just a few pieces of our wardrobe that we share, and one of them is this one. It's so soft. It's 100% cotton, flannel, and it's one of the most comfiest pieces I owned. And it's so warm as well. And it can be worn as just a regular shirt or over a layer like I do that just now. Wow, guys, absolutely recommend that, to the point that I really wanted to start this video with this piece of information. I'm wearing just now size medium from the men's collection because I really wanted that kind of like an oversized look, but they have different sizes there as well. And I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK, just for the reference. And after I share that with you, very important, let's move on to the unboxing. I've ordered this bag from Harrods. Ta-da! And yes, I did open the box to that stage just because the actual opening here was a little bit awkward and I didn't want to do this in front of the camera. I couldn't find, you know, that usual strip you can pull. It didn't have it, but yeah, that's came from Harrods, and it's my very first purchase online from Harrods. I've never ordered anything from them online. I did make some purchases before offline in their London store, but my first online experience with them. I used to do my purchases on matchesfashion.com, and majority of my luxury items came from matchesfashion.com. At the moment they are going into administration, and I stopped buying anything from there for just now, and that's why I'm trying different websites as well with the purchases. In the sense of delivery and everything was really quick, no complaint here, and arrived in a timely manner when I was told it's going to be delivered, so no complaint there at all. And let's see what we have inside there. We have a green box inside, and it's a signature color of Harrods department store. And then inside we have this dust bag for a dust bag. I already can see that it's an additional LOEWE dust bag there as well. I'm going to investigate what else we have inside the box before we move on to the actual unboxing and revealing. And it's just paper, more paper. We have some return labels here as well, and pretty gold envelope here. Let's have a look what we have inside. A gift for you. Really nice. Oh, I love you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Every single time when I purchase something for myself and the website offers me, do you want to leave a gift message? Even if I buy that for myself, I always leave some sort of, like, you know, inspirational, motivational message, or even as simple as I love you, kiss, kiss, kiss. So yeah, that's the message, a gift from me to me, and a little message from me to me that I love myself. I think it's really important to say that to yourself because we usually don't forget to say that to our close ones, but we forget to tell this to ourselves. Yeah, so a little note to myself, and as you can see, it came in a pretty gold Harriet envelope. Okay, I'm putting that all aside just now. I'm pulling this dust bag for dust bag, and we're going to check what we have in here. So that's it. We have a signature LOEWE dust bag, and I absolutely love the quality of the LOEWE dust bags. It's a great thick cotton, and I genuinely believe that your luxury bag starts with a box or a dust bag it comes in. I genuinely believe so, and that's why I think it's very important to pay attention, for the luxury brands to pay attention in which dust bag their bag comes in, or any other items, shoes or belts. Some of the brands actually neglecting that sort of their shopping experience, which, for example, Gucci, I don't like their dust bags, but never mind. LOEWE does a really good dust bag here. And that's it. That's no more dust bags for dust bags. Here we have a bag, and I am ready. Oh, it's a little bit okay, I'm going to reveal that anyway, and after that we're going to assemble the bag. But you already can guess from this little handle what sort of LOEWE bag is it going to be. Ta-da! And it's one of the LOEWE newest designs. It's a LOEWE Squeeze Bag in the medium size. I just had a quick visual inspection of the bag, and I'm going, guys, assemble that just behind the shot, and I'm going to get back to you with the bag in its full glory and final form.
A few moments later.
Now I fixed the bag, and I'm ready to present you LOEWE Medium Squeeze Bag in the oak color. I had to adjust the shot a little bit to allow the bag to be in the frame at all times. What do you think, guys? My first impression is that I thought the oak color is going to be more browny tan color. In my opinion, it's a little bit more olivey green. I'm not sure how it's coming out on the camera. Please share your opinion in the comments below. On the front, we have a little bit of leather gathering. It's not elastic at all. As you can see, I'm trying to pull that apart. No, it's just a decoration there. On the bag, we have nothing. On the front, we have a LOEWE gold embossing on the leather. And the leather, guys, is incredibly soft and rather lightweight. And it's a Napa lambskin leather. Wow. Yeah, LOEWE never disappoints with their quality of leather. And then we have this famous signature LOEWE gold chain. I've seen this chain before on the Goya puffer bag. If you haven't seen my full review on the Goya puffer bag from LOEWE, I'm going to leave the link below in the description box for you to check this out. The fact that I really like about this bag, and I'm going to explore that further, that this bag can be a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, and also a top handle bag. And it also comes with an additional piece of chain to do all of those adjustments. We're going to explore that further just in a second, but before we go ahead, I'm just going to share my opinion about this handle. It feels nice. It also made of the tone-to-tone Napa lambskin leather, so it's going to be very delicate. It has some gearing inside. As you can see, I can move the handle across the chain, and it gives a nice feeling of resistance. It actually feels really cool and nice. But stop playing with the handle. Let's have a look what we have inside. We have a more dust bag for a tissue paper. We just get rid of that. And inside, we also have some care instructions in different languages. We have magnetic closure like this. Then we have one big hole, no lining at all, and it's just the other side of the Napa skin leather. Guys, it's even softer than the exterior part. Wow, absolutely incredible. Then we have a zipped pocket with a LOEWE gold embossing there again, and made in Spain, I believe. Yeah, and a made in Spain. So that's nice zipped pocket. And in the zipped pocket, we have a traditional signature LOEWE canvas lining. I really like this lining. I do have that in my LOEWE puzzle hobo bag. It's really nice and easy to clean, despite the fact that it's actually a light color there. Inside the box, I also had a little pouch, and I believe the additional chain comes in there. So that's the matching to our regular dust bag, a little pouch as well with a LOEWE branding too, and another dust bag for dust bag, and gold chain there. Voila. And with this chain, we can adjust the size of this gold chain to increase the length of it and to make that into the longer shoulder bag or crossbody bag as well. We have a little pebble with a LOEWE anagram engraving there as well, which stops the top handle from being completely removed, but that pebble could be removed too. So I'm going to take that off. Then we will find two little pieces coming together to remove them. Voila. It reminds me some sort of riddle or a puzzle, and I'm not actually really good with the riddle and the puzzle. So before I start explaining all of that to you guys, I gave the bag to my husband so he could explain everything to me, because it took me ages, I swear ages, to figure out all of that. So he explained to me how it all works, and now I can demonstrate that to you too. So we are adding on this piece here, then this one, they're coming together, and now we have this longer chain, and we can move this one to here, just in the middle, and fix that over here. Aha! And here we have a extended a long chain. It's quite original design, guys. I've never seen anything like that before. We did see other brands working and playing with you know, like additional strap, the buckles, pretty easy, you know, removing adjustable straps and stuff like that. So yeah, usually it's much simpler form and design, but here it's a little bit of a play around, a little bit of quiz or riddle as you wish, which quite usual for LOEWE. And that's my quick unboxing of LOEWE Medium Squeeze Bag. I was really intrigued about this bag before. So many different medias were talking about it, but I've never seen that in real life. So it's my first exposure to LOEWE Squeeze Bag. I have a mixed feelings about that at the moment. I'm not going to take long to reveal my first impression and a full review on this LOEWE Medium Squeeze Bag, because I want to make a decision if I'm actually keeping it or not. I've already said that it's like I'm actually quite surprised about the color being a little bit more olivey grayish, kind of like with a gray undertone there rather than more brown and oak that I expected. And the other things that actually reminds me my Bottega Veneta small Jodi bag. So I might think that the functionality of the both bags are going to be very similar. So those two things that are actually making me think at the moment, am I going to keep this bag or am I going to return it? But already I can totally share with you guys that it's an amazing quality bag. super soft, original design with this riddle effect, this beautiful chain, unusual taupe handle with that gearing and resistant mechanism inside. It's like a little toy. So yeah, stay tuned for the full review of the medium squeeze bag from LOEWE. And I'm going to share my first impressions as well. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!